In this video, I'm about to compare Wix and Shopify. Wix and Shopify are both popular platforms for small businesses, but each excels in the different areas. Wix is a versatile website builder with a drag and drop editor, making it easy for beginners to create customized sites. It offers e-commerce features suitable for small stores, like product pages, payment option, and basic inventory management. Wix's strengths lie in its user-friendly design, affordability, and flexibility to combine e-commerce with other website content. However, it may lack some advanced e-commerce tools, like detailed analytics and complex inventory management, which can limit scalability for larger stores. Shopify is a dedicated e-commerce platform with robust tools tailored for online selling. It includes a powerful inventory tracking, customizable storefronts, advanced analytics, and integrations with various sales channels. Shopify's strengths are its extensive e-commerce feature, scalability, and support for larger online stores. However, its focus on e-commerce can make it pricier and less customizable for sites with content outside of retail. In my opinion, Wix is best for small businesses looking for an affordable, easy-to-use platform that combines e-commerce with broader website content, while Shopify is ideal for those focused on building a scalability e-commerce-first businesses. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.